Nathan, who's the messy man? You like looking at the Sunday paper? Yeah? It's like Christmas with newspaper. Yeah, buddy. Look at Mama. Hi. Yeah? What's on sale? What's on sale today? What's on sale today? That looks like a pretty interesting article. What are you doing, silly? You checking out the pictures now? Yeah, turn the page. Look at this big old mess you got going on here. What are you doing? Did you find the Toys R Us ad? Did you find the Toys R Us ad? Huh, buddy? Yeah? Yeah!